In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate the value of an annuity. Given the periodic deposit to be $1,000 at the end of every 3 months, the rate is 5.25% compounded quarterly, and the time is 7 years. So this compounded every 3 months and compounded quarterly is the same thing, which means our N is going to be 4. T is 7 years. R is the interest rate, so it's 5.25%, which transform into a decimal is 0.0525. P is the periodic deposit, which is $1,000. So out of the 3 formulas that were given, the one that we should use to find the value of the annuity is the second one. So it's A equals P times 1 plus R over N. So you see the quantity of 1 plus R over N to NT. Then from this one, subtract 1 and then divided by R over N. So all we have to do is start replacing the values. So we have $1,000 times 1 plus R is 0.0525 over N. And it's 4 because it says compounded quarterly. If it said compounded monthly, we would have put N equals 12. If it said yearly, we would have put 1, and so on. Everything raised to N, which is 4, times T, which is 7, minus 1, close parentheses, over 0.0525 over 4. So 1,000 is actually multiplied by the whole quantity, so we have to do the whole quantity inside the parentheses. So 1,000 times, now first I am going to divide 0.0525 by 4. So 0.0525 divided by 4. So we get 1 plus 0.013125, everything to 28, that's the 4 times 7, minus 1, close parentheses, everything over, well, 0.0525 over 4, we just calculated it, so it's 0.013125. So when we do the math, we get 1,000 times, well, I am going to add these two, which is going to be 1.013125, and we raise that to 28, so we get 1.4406711289 minus 1, everything divided by 0.013125. So multiply the 1.4406711289 by 1,000 and then divide it by 0.013125, and we get, so first we have to subtract 1, so we get 1.4406711289 minus 1 is 0. So let me write that out. So it's 1,000 times 0.4406711289, everything divided by 0.013125. So that is, so 1,000 times 0.4406711289, and then we divided by 0.013125. So we get, at the top, we get 440.671289. And we have to divide it. I'm trying to do step by step. And so when we divide this, we get 33,574.96. This is the value of the annuity. So basically, in terms of our problem, if you deposit $1,000, every quarter for 7 years, you are actually depositing times 4, right? Because that means 4 times per year, divided by times 7, that is 28,000. So this is how much money you actually take out of your pocket to deposit. So, but you earn 33,574.96. So that means the interest earned is 33,574.96 minus 28,000. So if we subtract that, we end up with 5,574.96. This is the interest earned by depositing $1,000 quarterly for 7 years in an account that earns 5.25% interest. I hope this helps.